In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x8024401c. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, please proceed to the search bar, type for Windows Store. Then wait until you can see a result where you can troubleshoot this Windows Store apps. Click on here, and then in a few moments you'd be able to bring up a window where you can run the troubleshooter for this Windows Store app. So click on Run, complete the procedure. This will take 3 minutes, and this will surely diagnose the problem if the Windows Store apps is not working right. Once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved, and if not, then I want you to navigate to the search bar here. Please type for panel. Then you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the control panel. Navigate to the right side and click on open. And from here, change the view like this. Go with view by click on this down arrow key. Go with large icons. Once changed, proceed to network and sharing center. Click on here. And then you'll get to see connections. Click on this link. And then go with properties. And under the Wi-Fi properties, find for Internet Protocol version 6. Unchecked it, click on OK. Okay, once done, close the window and then restart the PC and check if it is being resolved. And if not, then bound to the last step, proceed to the search bar, type for CMD, and the moment you will see the command prompt system, you need to run it as an administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I have a command that is being pasted at the YouTube description, copy and paste it here one by one. First, the system scanning, and this will take some time. Be patient, wait until it will be done. Proceed to the second once the previous has been finished. Okay? That's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.